Good morning, class. Welcome back to our maths class. Children, in this class, we are going to do exercise 9C. In this exercise, there are story sums. For solving these sums, first there is a need to read the story once or twice, understand the meaning of it carefully, and identify the type of sum, whether we have to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Let's start exercise. Question number 1. Children, I have shared PDF also on the screen. You can see here there are 6 questions. Question number 1 and 2 are already done in this exercise. I am reading first question. The question is, a bus has 8 rows of seats. Each row has equal number of seats. If 48 children can sit in the bus, how many seats are there in each row? Children, in the question it is asked how many seats are there in each row. Total number of rows are 8 and the children are sitting in the bus are 48. Here we have to tell how many seats are there in each row. So to find the total number of seats in each row, we will divide 48, means total number of children, we will divide it by the number of rows of seats. This is 48, total number of children are 48 and there are 8 rows of seats. So we will divide 48 by 8 to know the number of seats in the each row. So we will read the table of 8 to get 48 in this. 8 6 ja 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. The answer is 6. How many seats are there in each row? There are 6 seats in each row. In this way, we knew that there are 6 seats in each row. Children, when we are solving the question, then there is no need to write statements. But in the story sums, when we got the answer, so we will write answer in statement like this. There are 6 seats in each row. Children, it is compulsory to write the answer in statement in each row like this. This is question number 1, then question number 2. Now you see I am reading question number 2. 112 pencils were divided equally among 9 children. It is very much clear from the first line only. Here the word is divided equally. When we distribute, when we divide anything among number of children or among number of persons, this question is of division. So 112 pencils were divided equally among 9 children. How many pencils did each child get? How many pencils were left? Children, in this question, there is remainder also because as you know that when we read the table of 9, in the table of 9, there is no 112. So the number of pencils cannot be equally divided in the 9 children. There will be leftover also. So that is called remainder. We will divide it. Write 112 inside. This is dividend and divide this number by 9. You can see that in the table of 9 there is no 112. So first of all we are going to divide 11 by 9. This is 9 1 ja 9. Subtract 9 from 11. This is 2. Bring down next number, that is 2. Now you see it is 22. The dividend is 22 here and we have to divide it by 9. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. Subtract 18 from 22. This is 4. So 4 is remainder and 12 is quotient. And now we will write the answer in the statement like this. Each child, because in the question you can see that how many pencils did each child get? Each child got 12 pencils. And one more question is joined here. How many pencils were left? You can see the remainder 4. So we will write 4 pencils were left. These two questions already done in the book, but I also have done on the screen. Now we will move to the next question, question number 3. In this question, Tom stuck 76 photos in his album. There is a album and Tom stuck their photos. How many photos? 76. If he stuck 4 photos on each page, how many pages did he use? Total number of photos are 76. So this is dividend. And he stuck 4 photos on one page. So we will divide 76 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. Subtract it and we got 3. Bring down next number, that is 6. Now it is 36. We will read the table of 4 to get 36. 4 9 ja 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. The answer is 19. And now we will read the question again. The last line. How many pages did he use? As he pasted 4 photos on each page and total number of photos he has 76. How many pages did he use? He used, we will write answer in statement. He used 19 pages. How many pages he used? He used 19 pages to stuck 76 photos in the album. Now we have next question. Question number 4. Question is, Mao can cut 7 pieces out of one cake. There is a person, there is a child Mao. He has a cake and out of one cake he can cut 7 pieces. How many cakes does she need for 84 guests? There are 84 guests in the party and from one cake they are cutting 7 pieces. So how many cakes are needed for 84 guests? We will divide this question number 4. We will divide 84 by 7. 7 1 ja 7. This is 1. Now we will bring down 4. It is 14 now. 7 2 ja 14. How many cakes does she need for 84 guests? So children, we will write the answer in statement also. 12 is answer. She needs 12 cakes for 84 guests. Or you can write like till this also. She needs 12 cakes. Children, now we will move to the next question. This is question number 5. Children, I forget to tell you that, as I always tell you, that there in story sums, no need to copy down whole sum. You can write first and last word of the question, as I am writing in this question. 127 flowers. Then put dash 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 in between and write the last 1 or 2 words of the question. Here it is were left. And then you show solution only. No need to write complete story. So we will read it to solve it, to identify what we have to do here. The question is 127 flowers were divided equally to make 8 rangolis. There are 127 flowers and how many rangolis we have to make? 8 rangolis, and we have to distribute 127 flowers in 8 rangolis. How many flowers were used? How many flowers were used for each? How many flowers were left? Children, as you can see, here the total number of rangolis are 8 and total number of flowers are 127. We have to distribute 127 flowers in 8 rangolis. So we will divide it. 127 is dividend here, and we will divide it by 8. 8 1 ja 8. Subtract 8 from 12. This is 4. Then bring down 7. Here it is 47. There is no 47 in the table of 8. So we will count the table of 8 less than 47. This is 8 5 ja 40. Subtract it. After subtracting, we will get 7 here. 7 is remainder and 15 is quotient. So we will write the answer like this. How many flowers were used for each? 15 flowers were used for each rangoli. Second question is here. How many flowers were left? And 7 flowers were left. Children, you will write statement also in story sums. In story sums, it is compulsory to write the answer in statement. Now question number 6. Here there are 4 parts A, B, C and D. So first of all we will do A part. So I am showing you question also. The question is, if 144 books are placed equally on 12 shelves, how many books are there on each shelf? How many total number of books are? 144, and there are 12 shelves. How many books are there on each shelf? So we will divide it. The total number of books are 144. This is dividend. And how many shelves are there? There are 12 shelves. 12 shelves. 12 1 ja 12. Subtract 12 from 14. This is 2. Bring down next number. This is 4. Now it is 24. We will count the table of, we will read the table of 12 for 24. This is 2 ja. 12 2 ja 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So the question is, how many books are there on each shelf? There are, we will write the answer in statement. There are 12 books on each shelf. Now we will move to the B part. The B part is, if 6 glasses are placed in a box, if 6 glasses are packed in a box, how many boxes are needed for 84 glasses? Children, we have 84 total number of glasses, and each glass can have 6 glasses. Each box can have 6 glasses only. So if 6 glasses are packed in a box, how many boxes are needed for 84 glasses? We have to find the number of boxes needed for 84 glasses. Question number B. 84 and divided by 6. 6 1 ja 6. Here it is 2. Bring down 4. Now it is 24. 6 4 ja 24. It is 0 here. The quotient is 14. The question is, how many boxes are needed for 84 glasses? 14 boxes. Total number of 14 boxes. 14 boxes are needed for or to pack 84 glasses. 84 glasses. Now see question. The question is, Shri needs 315 earthen lamps to decorate his house. The lamps come in boxes of 15. How many boxes should he buy? C part. Shri needs 315 lamps to decorate his house. The lamps come in boxes of 15. Means we can say that there are 15 lamps in one box. How many boxes should he buy to get 315 lamps? We will divide 315 by 15. 15 to the 30. Subtract 30 from 31. This is 1. Now we will take next number. This is 5. Now it is 15. 15 1 ja 15. We will write the answer in statement. How many boxes should he buy? He should buy 21 boxes of lamps. There are 15 lamps in one box. Now we have one more part of this question. This is question number D. We will read it first. The question is, Achin arranged 100 flowers equally in 8 vases. Total number of flowers are 100 and he has arranged total number of flowers in 8 vases. How many flowers went into each vase? How many flowers were left? How many flowers were left? How many total number of flowers? There are 100 flowers and 8 vases. So 8 1 ja 8. This is 2. Next 0. We have 20 now, but there is no 20 in table of 8. So we will count the table of 8 less than 20. 8 1 ja 8. 8 2 ja 16. Subtract 16 from 20. This is 4. And children, here it is 4 now and it is not divisible by 8. So it is remainder and 12 is quotient. So we will write the answer in statement. How many flowers went into each vase? 12 flowers went into each vase. Second question is here, how many flowers were left? And 4 flowers were left. Children, here we have completed this exercise. All the story sums we have done in this video. So you note down all the sums in your maths copy and we will meet in the next video with next exercise. Till then, bye everybody. Take care of you.